Nishu. I want to ask you a question. Would you like to share your thoughts or your views about the hotel school? How would you explain it?
So, very good morning, Nishu. First of all, my name is Alicia, and I am an ex-student of the hotel school. So, if I talk about the ratings or about the views of hotel school, so it's one of the best colleges I have come across so far. And if I talk about my own personal journey, so it's been a very beautiful journey. And coming upon the faculties here or the placement cell here, it's very good because the faculties, they are very supportive, they are very motivated, which in return motivates us a lot.
So how do you explain? How do you rate the placement of the hotel school?
So rating, should I rate it from 1 to 10 if you ask me?
Okay, yes, you can.
So I would definitely rate it a 10 because they never lag behind in the placement, whether it is in India or whether it is abroad, whether it is cruise interviews, they are never behind. They give us very, very, very good placement. And like right now, if I talk about the placement, there has been a lot of international placements from the hotel school, which is like very good point that I would say.
Thank you so much, Alicia, for sharing your views.
Thanks a lot,
Thank you
Nishu.
so much.